Hi guys, this is Sandeep here. We are at right now in Sharjah. This is called Al Noor Island. And beside me, backside of me, you can see the island and this is the city. So you have to spend around 35 AED to enter inside the hall. And there is a butterfly garden. There are so many things. We are going to keep you updated. So there is a nice, weather right now. We are at the end of the December. And you can see all the family and the kids and they are coming here. So have to take precautions and nice birds and this is island we are going to enter into it. Backside is the main city of the Sharjah. So let's go inside and we will keep you updated. Hi guys, we are at the butterfly garden right now in the island. It is in the Sharjah. It's a very nice place and our one of the friends from he will guide you further.
So basically, welcome to the island. The place is called Al Noor Island, the island of light, and of course, this place has lots of different attractions. But the butterfly house is the main attraction for the island. We have 22 different species of butterflies here. We bring them from Costa Rican Philippines. So every 10 days we have pupa. Over there is the pupa, and of course the pupa hatches from here into butterflies. If you continue, you can see that these butterflies are so much active right now, simply because there is no sun. So if you want to see them fly, you have to come before 2 o'clock. That's when they fly so much, and that's the reason the place is a glass house, because sunlight is very important for them to be active. The other thing is they feed on flowers, they get nectar from the flowers, and they can get sugar from the fruits. And also they can as well reproduce in this environment because the place is temperature controlled to allow them ability to be able to survive well and live for 30 days, which is their lifespan. So please walk around, take some nice photos, and you can also walk around the island and see many of the other attractions we have, like the stone tree, the cactus garden, and the maize garden, and many other things. Please. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for being a great guy and helping us in so many ways. Right now I'm showing you the eggs of the butterflies that is fortified in the 30 days. So I can show you the tour around this place. Very nice. The people are coming with the family. This is a nice garden in Al Noor Island. You can see there is a nice demograph. In the night time light springs here and you can walk around there. Right now we are in Sharjah. This is called Al Noor Island, as I told. We are right now inside the sanctuary and I can show you some of the nice spotted, like this is selfie spot. Here you can see very nice sea water. It is the whole city of the Sharjah. This is a man-made island actually, and you can see this is sunset about to be happen in half an hour, and after that we are going to take more inside there. There is a nice swing here, so you can sit with your family and have a nice place, nice time. So enjoy. We will take you, give more shots. You should come along with your family. Right now we are in the maize garden and you can see the beautiful place. This is a garden surrounded by so many thousands and thousands of the flowers. You will feel like we are in the forest right now. So backside there is a nice water, and we are very happy like to be here. If you see by yourself, the families are coming and they are regularly visiting. This is the midst of the city, you can say, but just imagine how they have created this. Nice playground here for the kids. You can come along with your kids and play with them. This is also one of the portion in Noor Island. You can see. So we are now just going towards the sunset. It will be happening around in 10 minutes. This place is called Literature Pavilion and we are going to just enter inside there. Here you can come in Al Noor Island and study some of the books that you want to read. You can take pictures, sit here along with your family, and this is especially meant to study the material. If you want to study and come here in the mid of the nature, there is a nice twinklings of the birds are coming here right now. And you see there is a sunset is about to going on, that I'm going to show you if it is visible. We are going to show you now the sunset. This is a very nice beach here. This is the man-made island in Arloon Island in Sharjah. You can see this is a very beautiful place. There is a sunset is going on, but due to the buildings it is in height. We can take you to the shore of the sea. Hi guys, this is the garden which is dedicated for the cactus. You can see you are not allowed to pick any of the cactus from here or break them. Now almost sunset has been finished, and we are already going inside more into the island, exploring the new things.